Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the history books to explore the Treaty of Lausanne. This treaty, signed in the year 1923, marked the official end of World War I. It replaced the failed Treaty of Sèvres, which had aimed to divide the territories of the Ottoman Empire, and recognize the boundaries of the modern state of Turkey. This was a crucial turning point, as the Treaty of Lausanne not only reshaped the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East, but also set a precedent for future peace treaties. It demonstrated how the realities on the ground often dictate the outcomes of diplomatic negotiations. So, buckle up, as we delve into the story of this influential treaty. This treaty was a pivotal moment in world history, shaping the modern Middle East and setting the stage for many of the geopolitical issues we see today. But what led to the Treaty of Lausanne? Let's delve into the events leading up to its signing. Imagine the world in the early 20th century. The Ottoman Empire, once a formidable global power, had been in decline for quite some time. Struggling to maintain its influence and territorial integrity, the empire chose to remain neutral at the onset of World War I. However, in the year 1914, seeking to bolster its weakening military might, the empire decided to join forces with Germany. This decision would have far-reaching implications. As the war came to a close, the victorious Allies turned their attention to the partitioning of the defeated Ottoman Empire. They proposed the Treaty of Sèvres, an agreement that sought to carve up Ottoman territories among the Allies. This treaty, however, was perceived as a gross violation of the empire's sovereignty by the Turkish National Movement, a group dedicated to preserving the integrity of what remained of the Ottoman Empire. The rejection of the Treaty of Sèvres by the Turkish National Movement sparked what would come to be known as the Turkish War of Independence. This was a fierce struggle, fought by the Turks with a singular goal in mind: to preserve their homeland from being divided among foreign powers. The war was a testament to the tenacity of the Turkish people and their determination to dictate the terms of their own destiny. It was this struggle, this war for independence, that ultimately paved the way for the signing of the Treaty of Lausanne. The treaty was a recognition of the new reality that had been forged on the battlefields of the Turkish War of Independence. It was a testament to the fact that the Turks would not be passive observers in the face of attempts to divide their land. This war ultimately led to the signing of the Treaty of Lausanne. The treaty marked the end of a tumultuous period in world history, and the beginning of a new chapter in the story of the modern Middle East. The Treaty of Lausanne was not a one-sided agreement. There were multiple parties involved. The treaty was a culmination of negotiations between Turkey and a host of other nations. On one side, we had Turkey, represented by İzmir İnönü, who later served as the second president of Turkey. He was a key figure in the Turkish War of Independence and the formation of the Turkish Republic. On the other side, we had a coalition of countries including Britain, represented by Lord Curzon, the then Foreign Secretary, France with its representative Franklin Bouillon, Italy, represented by Carlo Sforza, Japan with its diplomat Kajuro Shidehara, Greece, represented by Eleftherios Venizelos, Romania, represented by Nicolae Titulescu, and lastly the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, now known as Yugoslavia, was represented by Momcilo Ninsic. These countries, with their diverse interests, all played a part in shaping the Treaty of Lausanne. Opening. The outcomes of the Treaty of Lausanne were significant and far-reaching. The Treaty of Lausanne marked a turning point in the history of the Middle East, its outcomes reshaping the geopolitical landscape of the region. One of the most notable outcomes was the abolition of the Treaty of Sèvres. The Treaty of Sèvres, signed in 1920, had sought to partition the Ottoman Empire among the allies of World War I. However, it was met with resistance, leading to the Turkish War of Independence, and ultimately its replacement by the Treaty of Lausanne. With the Treaty of Lausanne, the new borders of Turkey were recognized, a key development that instilled a sense of national identity and sovereignty. The treaty outlined the frontiers of the new state, solidifying its territorial integrity. The borders defined by this treaty are essentially the same as the ones Turkey has today, a testament to the treaty's lasting impact. Alongside the recognition of Turkey's borders, another significant outcome was the formal recognition of the Turkish Republic, under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Mustafa Kemal, a military officer during World War I, had led the Turkish National Movement in the War of Independence against the Allies. With the signing of the Treaty of Lausanne, his vision of a sovereign Turkish Republic was realized. This recognition marked a new chapter in Turkey's history, as it transitioned from the ashes of the Ottoman Empire to a modern, secular republic. Closing, the treaty also delineated the borders of Greece, Bulgaria, and Turkey, marking a new era in their history. The Treaty of Lausanne didn't just define the borders of Turkey, it also delineated the borders of Greece and Bulgaria. This redrawing of boundaries marked a significant shift in the geopolitical landscape of the region, setting the stage for the modern states we see today. The Treaty of Lausanne thus served as a blueprint for a new era in the history of these nations. So, how does the Treaty of Lausanne benefit the future? The treaty to this day continues to influence the geopolitical landscape. It serves as a beacon guiding how peace treaties can be negotiated, demonstrating that the realities on the ground often dictate the outcomes of diplomatic proceedings. The treaty's impact on Turkey is still evident, helping shape the nation into the republic we know today. Its influence extends beyond Turkey, impacting the wider world, particularly the Middle Eastern region, where the boundaries it established continue to hold significance. The Treaty of Lausanne's legacy serves as a testament to the intricate dance of diplomacy and the lasting implications of historical events. The Treaty of Lausanne was a landmark moment in history, shaping the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. It serves as a reminder of the complexities of peace and the lasting impact of historical events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights.